Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make these blueberry muffins. For these muffins, I used blueberries, vanilla extract, salt, an egg, baking powder, vegetable oil, milk, sugar, and flour. In a bowl, combine the flour, sugar, and baking powder, mix it and set it aside. In a different bowl, combine the egg, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and mix it. Combine both ingredients and mix until you get a smooth and silky batter. Now add the blueberries and gently fold them in. Bake the cupcakes in a preheated oven of 170 Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have your cupcakes. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.